Electric charge is a property of matter that generates forces between objects. We refer to charges as being positive or negative. Positive charges are marked with a plus sign. Negative charges are marked with a minus sign. Each of these lightweight table tennis balls has been given an opposite charge. When we release these balls, we see that they move together. Opposite charges attract each other. When charges are the same, however, they repel, regardless of whether the charges are both positive or both negative. Under certain circumstances, an object can become electrically charged without ever touching another electrically charged object. The process is called charging by induction. Induction occurs when a charged object, such as a rubber rod, is brought close to a neutral object, such as a metal sphere. Because charges can move easily in the metal, the negatively charged rod will repel the electrons in the sphere until the side near the rod is positively charged and the opposite side is negatively charged. If the sphere is then connected to ground, some of the negative charges will leave the sphere entirely. If the sphere is then disconnected from ground, the lost electrons cannot rejoin it. As a result, the sphere has a remaining positive charge even if the negatively charged rod is removed. An insulator is a material in which charges do not move freely. A good example of an insulator is plastic. If you rub a plastic comb with fabric such as silk or fur, the comb will become charged. Paper is a better insulator than plastic. Nevertheless, it is possible to charge pieces of paper. When you place the charged comb next to a pile of paper pieces, there is no net transfer of charge, but charges are induced in the pieces of paper. This is known as polarization. In a single piece of paper, the realignment of charges within individual molecules causes charge to be induced on the paper's surface. Once one piece of paper becomes polarized, the charge at this surface induces the polarization of neighboring pieces of paper, and they attract each other.